All right, everybody, we're going to do a fun little unboxing here of this thermometer. It says, how about this is why when some of these countries make products like this, they need to have a native English speaker actually check some of their terminology before they go and assume that that's what you should put on the side of your merchandise that you are selling a lot of on Amazon. So regardless of the inappropriate box, let's actually take a look at this. You'll see that it does actually come with 2 AAA batteries. That's nice. Don't actually have to buy something on the side. User manual, we don't care about that. No, nonsense. Ooh, nicely packaged. Oh, it comes with a delightful little carrying case in case you want to travel with it for some reason. Boy, there's all sorts of strange surprises in this thing. All right, let's go ahead and open up these AAA batteries, and we're going to do some installation. All right, it appears that you simply slide off the back in order to access the battery compartment. Oh, that's easy, isn't it? Check that out. Head it back in like so, and we have the ever so satisfying little peely sticker. Oh, that is nice. All right, let's go ahead and put it in my ear. I don't feel sick, I don't have a fever, so it should be a good temperature. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I heard a delightful little beep, and it is 97.3. Okay, let's try it one more time here. Let's really get it in there. Not too far in, obviously. Oh, hey, look at that. And it actually has the past temperature right down there in case you forget it. Oh, that's cool. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, click. Heard a nice little beep. 97.3, so it's pretty stable. Let's try the other ear just for giggles, okay? Here we go. So we're gonna put it in here, get it in there, and all right, and what is it? 97.3. Wow, excellent. I also wanted to point out the fact that this does turn off automatically, so if you're distracted with your child and you just put this down, you'll see that it just powered off. To turn it back on, kapoosh, like so. Now, it does automatically go to ear canal mode by taking this cap off, as indicated by that little tiny icon. And when you put this back, that icon changes, and now it is on adult. To cycle to baby, you just push this like that, and now it's on baby mode. And if you click this one more time, that is on house mode, and that's to basically feel the temperature of the environment. So I would hold this about, I don't know, 1 to 3 centimeters away from this, and I would click that as I would normally, and my watch is 75.7 degrees. That's interesting. I'm not really going to be using this to measure the ambiance of the environment, but I guess that's pretty cool if you actually want to check surface temperature of something for some reason. Cool, excellent. So last test, I'm going to have it on adult mode right there, put it in the middle of the forehead, like so, gently resting, and we're gonna go ahead and click this, and click it. All right, we are 98.3, and then when I take this off, it should automatically go to ear mode. I'm gonna put this in my ear, click that, and we are 96.5. Wow, that is totally different. My ear is very, very different from my forehead. Now, I actually would trust my forehead because I don't feel sick at all, and 98.4 should be what a relatively healthy person is, and I am healthy right now. So there you go. Quick little brief overview of the modes and also the unboxing, and also the fact that you get batteries and yeah, nice little compact thermometer.